Hi everyone, I'm fresh off a trip, but I came home and my hostas are coming up. So this is a hosta update. Let's take a look. This here is Guardian Angel. Go. Oh man, I have to come out here to prepare to treat them. Hi. I was only gone for 4 days. 4 days of growth. Oh, that's a fern coming out the ground. I don't know what the. That's a Liriope. Yeah, so some of them are coming up and it'll fill in this area. I don't notice one here quite yet. This here is the autumn frost, but it's coming up, and all of my Japanese maples are now leafing out. Here we go. Update. Japanese maple. Also, my ajugas are blooming. That's beautiful. Hi, ajugas. I have a rescue over there. I need to take care of that baby. All right, let's go over here to my flowers. What's going on? More tulips have come out the ground, and I see some baby ones in there. Here's more. See one peeking up there. The side is struggling. I would have thought they would have been flowering. Oh, wow. Sorry about that. Thought they would have been flowering by now. Salvia have grown and are now flowering. A change in 4 days. Oh, I'm starting to see some type of bloom inside. Oh, I have to come and repot some of those. There's the more hostas. They built above one of my hostas. Gonna try to get that baby out of the ground, but there's a hosta. This baby. Oh, yeah, see, having leaf problems also. What else is going on? Let's see. Got a little bit of yellow here. That Japanese maple have leafed out in 4 days. Oh, look at the verbenias. The verbenias they like that sunlight, so I knew this location would be good. I'm gonna put those in the ground eventually. Okay, I have just color. And then this is more, although those the catnip, I believe. So let's see and smell. It has decided to come on out. Anywho, I'm going to come out, and now with my bags and bags of fertilizers, it is time, springtime, to do my first round. Cut this grass. Here's my babies over here. Now, y'all, this is gonna be a mess because it's a lot I gotta put up with this year. But this Japanese maple here that I relocated, it is now leafed all the way out. And then I have a few azaleas over here that's about to bloom. One moment, let me show you. My azaleas in the woods. And let's take a look at this dogwood. I gotta come all the way back. My dogwood is blooming. So you have the dogwood there, blooming next to the shed. That dogwood is going to die pretty soon. It's not in the healthiest shape. So that's why I placed my Japanese maples over there to replace it one day. All right, you all, there you have it. I do have a purple heart starting to come up, so you know the purple hearts are going to come up here. I have to add mulch in this area and everything else. This is Georgia. That's the gold flame honeysuckle. See them. Nothing else major has happened. This is a butterfly bush that will outgrow this area, but for now it will work.